In this class we can study about revenue. Then in last class we studied about perfect competition. What are the features? All these things we studied. Today we can study about perfect competition, revenue and total revenue curve and AR curve. These things we can study. Okay. Then we know what is revenue. Through selling the product, producer will get what he will get the revenue. Okay, if he is selling in less rate, price less than or equal to the market price, then he can sell more quantity. Okay, means we also know if product is selling at less price, people will buy more quantity. Through that only he can sell more quantity. Okay, then here we can study what is the revenue. A firm earns revenue by selling the good that it produced in market. Means through selling the goods that it produced in market, the producer will get the revenue. Means suppose a producer, he is selling 10 apple for 5 rupees, then 10 into 5, 50. That one is his total revenue. Okay, then the quantity of the good produced and therefore sold by the firm, if we are calculating all these things, we will get the total revenue. Means we need to multiply price into quantity. Here equation is total revenue equal to price into quantity. Means price is 5 rupees, quantity is 10 rupees, means 5 into 10, 50. Okay, this is the equation of total revenue. Price into quantity is the equation of total revenue. Here you can see in this table, you can see boxes sold 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total revenue is 0. If the price is rupees 10, here price already they given, the price is rupees 10, then 0 into 10, 0, 1 into 10, 10, 2 into 10, 20, 3 into 10, 30, 4 into 10, 40. If he is selling 5 quantity, 5 into 10, 50. Okay, then what is total revenue? Price into quantity is the total revenue. Then we can draw a diagram from this table. We can draw a diagram. This is the diagram. In x-axis it is output and y-axis it is the revenue. Then we will get the total revenue. Okay, when it is 0 quantity, that time it is 0. When it is quantity is 1, that time 5 rupees. When quantity is 2, that time 10 rupees. When quantity is 3, that time 15. Like that. That reason the total revenue curve is upward rising straight line. Because of this reason only this curve is upward rising. Means it is we know this curve is upward rising curve. What is the reason? Because when the quantity increases, the revenue also increasing. Because of that reason, output level increasing, then revenue also increasing. That reason total revenue curve is upward sloping curve. Okay, here now we can go to average revenue curve. The average revenue of a firm is defined as the total revenue per unit of output. Means total revenue divided by quantity is the average revenue. Then what is average revenue? Average revenue of a firm is defined as total revenue per unit of output. Means here you can see the equation. A average revenue equal to total revenue divided by quantity, or P into Q divided by Q. Okay, then we can draw the diagram. Okay, if you are taking the total revenue divided by quantity, here 10 by 1, 10, 20 by 2, 2, 30 by 3, 10 by 1, what is the answer? 10, 20 by 2, 10, then here 30 by 3, 10, 40 by 4, 10, 50 by 5, 10. Then the value is same. That reason this average revenue curve is a straight line. You can see the curve here. You can see the curve. In this curve, it is a straight line. Average revenue curve is a straight line. This is the average revenue curve. We can call this one as price line. The price line shows the relationship between the market price and a firm's output. Okay, here you can see the market price and firm's output. The vertical height of the price line is equal to the market price. Here you can see the price line. It is a vertical, means it is a straight line. What is the reason? Because the value we know that one, we got the same value in all the production, means when it is quantity is 10, that time also average revenue is 10. When quantity is 5, that time also average revenue is 10. Okay, then the horizontal straight line is called price line. This one also called as average revenue curve under the perfect competition. This one we are calling as average revenue curve under the perfect competition. Then this one we are calling as price line. This is the average revenue curve and this is the price line. Okay. Then in perfect competition, price line depicts the average revenue curve. Okay. Means a firm can sell as many units of the goods as it want to sell at the price P. Here the price is P. In that price, that a producer can sell or firm can sell as many units. Okay, this is the price line. Then in perfect competition, we need to remember one thing: price line and average revenue curves are the same. Okay, price line and average revenue curves are the same in perfect competition. Next one is the marginal revenue. The marginal revenue of a firm is defined as the increase in total revenue for a unit as the increase in the firm's of output. Means, suppose earlier firm's output was 100, now increased it to 100. Output revenue was, total revenue was 100. Now it increased to 150. Then how much it increased? 50 increase. Okay. Then that one is the marginal revenue. Here one example is there. Total revenue from the sale of 2 boxes of candles was ₹20. Total revenue from the sale of 3 boxes, it became 30. Then what is the marginal? 20. 30 minus 20, what is the marginal? It is 10. What is the equation then? Marginal revenue equal to change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. Here what is the change in total revenue? 30 minus 20 divided by 3 minus 2. Then answer will be 10. Okay. Then here, thus, for the perfectly competitive firm, MR equal to marginal revenue equal to average revenue equal to price. Means, here we know this is the average revenue curve, this is the price line, and this one will be the marginal revenue curve. Okay. Then in a perfect competitive market, marginal revenue and average revenue and price will be the same. Okay. This is the main specialty of a perfect competitive market. Means this one will be the MR curve. This one also will be MR curve. Means MR curve and price line curve and AR curve, and this price will be the same in perfect competitive market. Okay. Then what is the equation for the marginal revenue? Change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. Then what is the definition for marginal revenue? Marginal revenue of a firm is defined as the increase in the total revenue for a unit increase in the firm's output. Okay. Then main thing in perfect competition is price line and average revenue curves are the same. MR will be equal to AR and price, means this is the main thing. MR and AR and price will be equal in this market condition. Okay. Okay, here then in other words, for a price taking firm, marginal revenue equals the market price, means in this market condition marginal revenue equals the market price. Okay, then we need to understand in perfect competition MR equal to AR equal to P. This is the main equation in perfect competition. MR equal to AR equal to P. Okay, this is the main market condition in the perfect competitive market. Then the firm increases in total revenue from 1 unit of output. Expansion means if firm is increasing from 20 units of output, if it is increasing 25, MR is precisely in the market price. Okay, they will not change the market price. The market price will be almost same. Okay, that reason only MR equal to AR equal to P in P. This one is the main thing in the perfect competitive market.